Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we'll install your Defender 3-inch lift kit. First you want to lift your vehicle up and make sure it's secure, and then you want to remove your tire. Now it's time to remove the shock so you can install your front lift bracket. Now it's time to install your bracket on the shock. On the driver's side, you will need to install the bolt from the back to the front so the bolt does not hit your brake master cylinder cover. Now, with your bracket hanging on the shock, you can install the spacer for the frame mount between your bracket and your shock. Now you can move your bracket to the location and install your bolt. Now it's time to install your lower flange head bolt. There's a piece of plastic on the back side of the frame. You can push it out of the way and put your bolt and nut through the front and start your nut on the rear. Now it's time to tighten all your hardware. I want to make a point that your upper shock bolt is very close to your master cylinder cover. It may rub a little, but it won't hurt anything.